The first method will be don't play every single match without doing any research in an attempt to recover your loss. So what will happen is, if you play every match without any knowledge, you will keep on losing your money. So you can play without knowledge. There is a way that I will tell you later in this video, but if without doing any research you cannot play every single match, and so that is a very very important thing. Only play selected matches. Like if you have good knowledge and if you have good prediction, then only play those matches. Don't play every match in an attempt to recover your losses quickly. The second method to recover your losses will be don't play Grand Leagues. If you are playing Grand Leagues, then you should be ready to take the risk of at least 500 rupees loss or 1000 rupees loss. So if you want to play Grand Leagues, you should be ready to take the loss of 1000 rupees at least sometimes. So that is why if you are keep on losing a lot of money, then it is a better advice to stop playing Grand Leagues and start playing small leagues and head-to-head leagues. Small leagues and head-to-head leagues are very very powerful techniques to recover your losses. After you recover your losses, you can start playing the Grand Leagues. But if you are keep on losing money every day, then switch to small leagues and head-to-head leagues, so that you will definitely recover a lot of money. I will tell you easiest way to recover your money using small leagues and head-to-head leagues. This is a very very proven trick, and I will make a video on that, how to recover your small leagues and how to recover your loss and earn profits using small leagues and head-to-head in the next video. But stop playing Grand Leagues and switch to small leagues. This is a very very important tip if you are keep on losing money. The third method to recover your loss will be don't invest all of your money in one match. Instead, you can play selected matches of your choice, and those matches you have good knowledge, those matches you have good prediction. Select those matches and keep on playing those matches instead of playing only one match and investing lot of money in that one match. You can keep on splitting your money on those selected matches, and make sure to play small leagues and head-to-head leagues. If you are in very big loss, don't forget to play small leagues and head-to-head league, not only in one match. Keep on separating and spreading the money in different matches of which you have good knowledge. The fourth method to recover your losses will be using team generation software. I am not saying this for the sake of promoting this software, but it is a very useful tool and every fantasy user must have this software. And this software is available for all matches of cricket, football, basketball and even kabaddi. And it is a very useful tool and a very easy to use tool, and it does not require any knowledge and research and prediction to create the teams. Software itself creates based on multiple factors and heavily filter the teams to make sure that you are recovering from your losses and you are in the profit zone. So this software is available for Grand League, Small Leagues and even head-to-head league, and it has a very great history of winning, and it has very great history of winning a lot of profits, and many users are using. You can visit this software by going to www.teamgeneration.online, and it is a very easy to use software. Changing your fantasy application to low commission fantasy applications like MyFab11, Vision11 or Batball11. So these kinds of applications will take a lot of less money and will give lot of winnings to you. So those kinds of applications are very important. For example, here in Dream11, so if you play 387 rupees contest with 3 pupils, you will get 1000 rupees. So if you invest 387 and if you win, you will get 1000 rupees. But in Batball11 or in Vision11 or MyFab11, if you give 351 rupees, so instead of 387 rupees, 351 rupees is the investment, and you will definitely still get the same rupees of 1000 rupees. So you can save 36 rupees commission for the application charges. So I request you to change the fantasy application. If you are losing lot of money, Dream11 is good for the grand leagues, not for the small leagues. They are taking a lot of commissions from you. So change the fantasy application to the low commission applications and play the small leagues and head-to-head leagues, and you will definitely able to recover your losses within 30 days. And these are very proven methods. Don't play blindly. Do research. If you don't have any time to research, make sure to use any software like team generation software, so you can definitely recover from your losses and play wisely. Don't rush to recover your losses quickly. Just keep it simple and keep it slow, and you will definitely recover your all the losses and will be in the profits very soon. I hope you guys like this video, and if you like this video, please go ahead like this video, and if you don't like this video, you can easily dislike this video. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hard, stay in fight.